What's on, man? K Joseph on there. Hey Joseph back with another video. It's currently 4th of July, man. So we about to see what's going on today. We about to go hit this little car meet or something. Whatever going on, I really don't know for real. But y'all can see off the title and the thumbnail. But to right now, all I know is that we're going to a car meet. So whatever else happened. So I'm gonna take y'all with us, man. We out.
Few moments later.
Elijah. Bro. Man, we at this bitch, man. Y'all know what's going on. Crazy shit everywhere.
That's pretty good.
Fuck, that's that marrow. Fuck. Bro, these niggas shit's hard as hell. This bitch crazy. This shit crazy. I don't know what's crazier, to be honest. Ooh. All these boys hard as hell. Got cat. Bro, god damn. No, but this bitch crazy, y'all. I ain't like, this might be, in my eyes, one of some of the craziest shit here, I ain't gonna lie. Huh? I mean that shit too. That nigga front window shouldn't tell hard as hell. Sexy ass nigga. Let's look at this cat over there, challenging cat. I wish I had my body. Hold on, bro. How? God damn. God damn. No 5-0. God damn. 5-0 butterflies. Little SRT8. This bitch getting active, bro. Damn. Oh my God! Wow! How you feeling about that, brother?
I ain't gonna lie, they shit wow.
They just down crazy. Got my ears ringing a little bit. This your shit? This bitch sound crazy, gang. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. Look at this right here. Damn.
You ain't rap on my before you see no bars in the field.
Fuck, that shit sound crazy, bitch.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
How you feel about that, brother?
Why they make this so much more?
They tripping, bro. They tripping. That nigga two-stepping the fuck out that bitch. Man, this shit crazy, bro. Damn. Ooh, fuck. Huh? I don't even know for real. Hey, this your shit? Bro, this bitch hard as hell, bro. I ain't gonna lie. M5? Fuck. Bro, this shit hard as hell.
What year this is? Huh? What year? 2011.
2011?
I
Okay.
swapped everything else. Did the
Nice.
S63 swap. It's full bolt on E85. It's really a track car. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Hey, nah.
I tried to get a chance to though.
How much you paid for it when you first got it?
I paid 23.
That was, he got 30 racks and mods.
I don't even know
Fuck.
what it look like. Twin turbos, all that shit.
Fuck.
I only kept the coolers from the old motor. That was it, because these cool down faster. But other than that, I got upgraded everything.
This shit crazy. What's your name again, bro?
CJ,
KJ.
nice to meet you.
Man, CJ shit crazy, bro. This bitch hard. Blue LED side markers. Damn. This bitch hard, brother. I ain't gonna lie. Fuck. Nigga with this cold, high head, saying, telling, keep on digging graves up, dapped him up, and ain't get my respect until he spanked some. Three, but if the bitches run the God, he can't come. Boring. Damn. Hey, don't worry, it's stock though, bro. It's stock.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
That bitch sound freak, bro. Oh my god. And we got Nick in the vlog.
This that fast dude?
Nah, with the black back there.
Oh shit, it's two of them.
Yeah, bro. Hey, who you know that tuned 3.6s? Cause this shit is a V6. I ain't gonna lie.
I don't know.
Stupid.
That fast shit right there too, man. That orange bitch right there.
Hey, yo, what the?
You just cold started that
Yeah, it ain't going.
I gotta get rid of that bitch.
Red that bitch, red that
Red
bitch.
this bitch.
Here, let me see. Let me hear this bitch. Looky, heavy. Oh my fucking god. This nigga has a straight pipe 200.
They got a little extra shit there to it.
What you got done to it, cuz? Y'all, this nigga has the craziest 200, bro.
Crazy 200, man. Y'all heard him, man. Crazy 200 in the city, man. Niggas can't fuck with the 200s. I ain't gonna lie, everything here burning me, though. I ain't gonna lie. Everything here got me beat. Damn! Damn! My 200, bro, fuck! Everybody leaving this bitch now.
flick. I'ma send you a dick pic when I'm horny. If I kiss.
Yeah, boy.
What's up, YouTube, man? So we just left the meet, you feel me? Police shut that bitch down. They just got done popping the fireworks, you feel me? Better make a little quick stop. Pit stop. Fit Roger hanging out the back seat with that red dot. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Know what the fuck going? Little bit. Nothing too crazy. Little bit, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. It's a little tiny bit, man.
Stop it. Get some help.
2,000 years later.
What's going on, YouTube, man? We at this little function. I like these fireworks, folks. I know what's going on. Got the fireworks out, man. Hey, see about these, Hey, do that for me, bro. Oh, shit! Oh, man, man. Man, I said, what the fuck going on? Damn, hold on. Damn. Watch. Bitch, that was an aura. That was an aura. That was an aura. I'm about to get at the fire too. Oh my God, what's today? What's up, YouTube? It's currently July 6th, man. We're supposed to have this video out like 2-ish days ago, and this video still might drop on the 7th because I do got some stuff planned for today. Well, if you made it this far, I assume you like the video. So if you like the video, like, comment, sub, and we'll see y'all in the next video, man. We out.
Location, I put